No homo. Hello, karibu kwenye channel hii Dongo Biz Tech na Oleza TV. Kama ni mara yako ya kwanza, usiache kusubscribe na kubonyeza alama ya kengele ambayo itatokea baada ya kubonyeza subscribe. Oh yeah, welcome back Dongo Biz Tech, and today we are going to fix computer that won't display in our monitor. So join me to know how to fix it. First of all, when we here's the switch, so nothing come here. So let's switch there. As you can see here, power cable is here, VJ is here. So let's switch on now. Let's switch here. As you can see, this right here, that means the power is in machine. And let's KZ VGA, this we use to connect in. But they say no signal. How no signal? If you see our keyboard here is not turning on, this right here, no anything coming back. So now, do you hear the voice of the fan? Is spinning so fast and so loud. That's an unusual way for computer to make noise like that. So let's check the first thing what we have to do. The first thing what we have to do is to open the whole desktop, and this is our desktop. As you can see, there's so high dust around it. This is top cover, so dust. So maybe the problem can cause of that dust or something else. So let's go in and find out what is caused. Let's open. Let's open the cover, and first thing we have to do is to take off one lamp, and then let's connect again the power. Let's connect again. Power cable. Let's connect back the mouse or keyboard. Let's try to switch on again. Now as you can see here, the window is now up here, and they said memory size here, and the boot F1 or press escape for startup menu. So let's hit F1. After that, you can see the as you can see now, our machine is start working. So the main problem now is the problem was the computer won't switch on, but after now here we see the after removing one piece of RAM, and then machine is working. So let's switch on. So let's switch off, then we start again to put another. Let's try if this is this lamp is working properly or what. Let's switch on. Let's switch off. We already switch off. So now let's try to disconnect here first. Oh no, not yet. Yeah. Now everything is. Let's remove power cable, and let's remove another lamp. So now we remove another lamp, then we put that we removed before, we insert again. So let's start to connect the power cable again, and let's try to switch on if there's something or anything will come up in our machine. So let's start. Yes, as you can see now, the machine is working proper. All lamps are good, but what or why that time won't boot up the machine? It's because that the dust. As you can see, our machine inside the machine here, there's so many dust. As you can see, look, those are dust, and you can see there what they was okay. That's, as you can see, those waves are waving here. It's because our machine is very dirty. So what we have to fix this problem is to clean all dust and to make sure we position our machine the place that no dust or dust is less. So keep on subscribing Dongo Biz Tech in order to get new videos concerning of computers problems, programming, about videos shooting and all tricks. Please subscribe down there. If you have a problem, just email us. The email will get in our description below there. Thank you for watching. Hello, karibu kwenye channel hii Dongo Biz Tech na Oleza TV. Kama ni mara yako ya kwanza, usiache kusubscribe na kubonyeza alama ya kengele ambayo itatokea baada ya kubonyeza subscribe.